These Filipino pork kebabs are incredibly flavorful and prepared in a simple yet effective marinade that comprises of sugar, soy sauce, onion, garlic, and black pepper. The result is a tantalizing delicacy that is sure to impress your taste buds and satisfy your cravings. This Filipino pork kebab recipe is particularly great for outdoor parties, particularly those hosted in the context of picnics. Ingredients needed for this recipe are as follows: 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup soy sauce, 1 onion, diced, 5 cloves garlic, chopped, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 4-pound boneless pork loin cut into 1 and 1/2 inch cubes, 10 bamboo skewers soaked in water for at least 30 minutes. Directions for this recipe are simple to follow and can be divided into 2 main steps. Step 1. In a large bowl, combine the white sugar, soy sauce, onion, garlic, and black pepper. Mix thoroughly, then add the cubed pork and toss until the meat is evenly coated with the mixture. Cover the bowl and allow it to marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or even overnight if possible. Step 2. Preheat an outdoor grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. Once the grill is heated up, lightly oil the grate or grate bars with cooking spray. Step 3. Thread the pork skewers onto the soaked bamboo skewers. Place them on the preheated grill and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, or until the pigs are cooked through and no longer pink in the center. The key to ensuring perfect results lies in marinating the pork for at least 2 hours or even overnight. This allows the flavors to infuse itself into the meat and enhances its overall taste. Additionally, using a high-heat grill and properly oiling the grate are essential for cooking these skewers to perfection. Follow these simple guidelines and prepare to enjoy these mouth-watering Filipino pork kebabs at your next outdoor gathering.